Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a general overview, some basic information, and my first impressions on these KnifeSaga Chef Quality kitchen knives sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. Really like these knives. Let me tell you some of the features about them. Okay, so one of the first things that I notice when I take the knife is it's got great balance. This is a high carbon stainless steel blade that also incorporates the handle. This is important to me because I know I've cut sometimes where I would have a blade and a separate handle joined together, and that handle would snap off sometimes or it wouldn't last. In this situation, it is completely stainless steel. There is no separate handle, and it's got great balance and a great feel. It's got a really nice ergonomic handle that has a bit of a curve to it, so when you're holding on to it, you get a really good grip with it. Because of its design and manufacturing, also it can stay sharp up to 3 times longer than a regular blade, and they're easy to take care of, easy to sharpen. I highly recommend that you hand wash them. What I also noticed right out of the box, it has a very precise cutting angle, and these come very sharp, so please take caution when you're opening things up. KnifeSaga sets come with pretty much everything that you will need to make a difference in the way that you prepare your food, all the way down to the scissors. And the set comes with a very sturdy, very solid wood block to store them in, with a built-in sharpener. In my opinion, KnifeSaga really makes a nice set of knives. I'm really impressed with them, the way that they're made, the materials that they use. I think this would be a great gift for a wedding, for a Christmas, for really whatever. Great gift. Also, it'd be great just to buy for yourself. But I think if you get them, you're going to be pretty happy with them. If you're looking for a chef quality set of knives for yourself or someone that you love, I highly recommend that you give KnifeSaga a look. They work for me. They are a keeper. Maybe they're going to work for you as well.